1.1 Introductions 1.
Hello, my name's Lisa. What's your name?
Gabriel.
Where are you from, Gabriel?
I'm from Brazil.
Oh, where in Brazil are you from?
From Rio de Janeiro.
Rio de Janeiro is amazing. Well, nice to meet you, Gabriel.
Thank you. And you?
2.
Hello, what's your first name?
My name's Carla.
And what's your surname?
Perkins.
How do you spell that?
P-E-R-K-I-N-S.
And where are you from, Carla?
I'm from Oxford.
Thank you very much.
1.2 Personal Information 1.
What's her surname?
Perkins.
What's her first name?
Carla.
Where's she from?
She's from Oxford, England.
How old is she?
She's 25.
What's her phone number?
01764293880.
What's her email address?
cperkins@mailsnet.com.
Is she married?
No, she isn't.
2.
What's his surname?
Santos.
What's his first name?
Gabriel.
Where's he from?
He's from Brazil.
How old is he?
He's 19.
What's his phone number?
934298701.
What's his email address?
gsantos@mails.com.
Is he married?
No, he isn't.
1.3 Karen and her family.
Hi, my name is Karen, and I'm from Canada. This is my family. My father's name is Alan. He's a teacher. My mother's name is Celine. She's French, and she's a nurse. My sister's name is Christine. She's 21, and she's a student at the university. My brother's name is Joseph. He's 17, and he's at school. This is a photo of me and my cat. My cat's name is Pico. His favorite food is fish.
.4 One family, one street. 1.
It's lovely to have my mum, Catherine, in the same street.
2.
Look at my beautiful little great-granddaughter.
3.
My wife and I have 6 children.
4.
It's lovely to have a big family in our street. My husband loves it too.
1.5 Everyday Conversations 1.
Good morning, Pete. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
2.
Bye, Mum. I'm going to school.
Bye, honey. See you later.
3.
Can I have a cup of tea, please?
Of course. Anything to eat?
4.
Have a good day.
Thanks. And you?
5.
Hello, can I help you?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
6.
Tony, this is Holly. Hello, Holly. Nice to meet you.
7.
Bye. See you on Monday.
Yes. Have a good weekend.
8.
Good night. Sleep well.
See you in the morning.
1.6 Vocabulary 1 A. Day. E. T. I. High. O. No. U. You. R. Car. G. Me. J. Day. Q. You. Y. My. Z. Bed. (1.7) Vocabulary 2 1.
A, L, I, C, E. Alice.
2.
B, I, S, H, O, P. Bishop.
3.
K, E, L, L, Y. Kelly.
4.
L, I, Z, J, O, N, E, S. Liz Jones.
5.
P, N, A, S, H. At T, M, A, I, L, dot, C, O, M. P Nash at tmail.com.
6.
J, E, N, N, Y, B, L, A, C, K, at B, Z, dot, C, O, M. Jenny Black at bz.com.